Hi, we're at the Saltex show here at the NEC 2018. I'm with John on the Avant stand, and John's going to talk to us about one of their new machines here at the stand. So John, what's the machine you're going to talk to us about today?
We have here, amongst our other machines on the stand, we have our newest and brightest machine, the E6, which is the first in the world with a lithium battery, which no other manufacturer is doing within our sector at the moment.
And you've got the fast charge service on it as well?
Fast charge, yeah, with that we can go from 10% to 100 in an hour's charge. If we just do a normal standard trickle charge, it can be charged up overnight when you're off-site, plugged in. But yeah, that fast charge is, that extends that day even more. So
tell me, this has a multi-tool function. How many tools can it take now?
As the rest of our range, we can swap and change all the different attachments in, and we're up to about 230 different attachments now,
wow,
which is more than any other machine manufacturer out there at the moment.
And where can customers see those tools? Are they? All
of those tools are all on our website, so avant.co.uk. Straight away you can see anything on there, videos, technical data and anything like that.
And the cab layout on this is very similar to your other machines?
Exactly the same. So from the layman's terms, the machine is exactly the same as anything else. Driver wise, steering wise, lift capacities are slightly different to others, but yeah, exactly the same. So if you know the machine or anything about the Avant or driven one, you'll be able to get onto this electric one with no change at all.
Okay, it's got a fast charge system on this as well, I understand.
It has, yeah. It's got its own charging system built in, its own charger within there, so you can just plug it straight into your normal household socket, 3-pin plug. But on top of that, we've got a fast charging system which is external, needs to be plugged into a 3-phase unit, but with that it can be charged up from 10% to 100 in an hour, so you can extend that working day straight away.
Okay, and your machines, they've all got a set boom. It's not a static boom. It's a telescopic boom. Is that right?
Every single machine we've got has got a telescopic boom, apart from our little baby 200 series, which is just a standard static boom. That's purely down to size and weight. But yeah, like everything else on our range, it's telescopic boom. And same attachment connections on the front end of that as well. So
now this is a battery-driven machine. So where can you see this being useful for clients?
So far, we've had a lot of interest from, strangely, not within this setting, but in equestrian centres, places like that. But then it sort of spans out from there. So you're looking at greenhouses, industrial units, so anything internal. Even demolition companies are looking to have this inside, where the emissions they need to have very, very low. Obviously, being battery, zero emissions, and I've not got to worry about that anymore.